Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Some habits can be tough to break. When it comes to cooking, you may have some bad habits that you are not even aware of. We may unknowingly adopt certain cooking habits that can pose a serious threat to our health. In order to keep you and your family healthy, now let us see some of the common bad cooking habits that you should break. 1. Stir frying without cleaning the pan in between. Many people choose not to clean the pan and directly stir fry another dish to save time or because the pan appears to be relatively clean. However, this practice is incorrect. The seemingly clean surface of the pan may still contain oil and food residue, which, when heated at high temperatures again, can potentially generate carcinogens such as benzopyrene. Stir frying without cleaning the pan allows food residues to easily burn, posing a potential risk of carcinogens. 2. Repeatedly reusing cooking oils. According to studies, reheating of cooking oil leads to release of toxic substances and also increased free radicals in the body, causing inflammation and various chronic diseases. Food Safety and Standards Authority of India guidelines say the reheating should be avoided, and in case you have to reuse oil, a maximum of 3 times is permitted to avoid formation of trans fat. At high temperatures, some of the fats in oil change into trans fats. Trans fats are harmful fats that increase the risk of heart disease. When oils are reused, the amount of trans fats gets even higher. 3. Overcooking or charring food. Overcooking or charring food has been associated with a potential increased risk of certain cancers. When food is cooked at high temperatures or for prolonged periods, it can lead to the formation of acrylamide that may have carcinogenic properties. Acrylamide is a chemical compound that can form when starchy foods such as potatoes, bread, and certain grains are cooked at high temperatures. To minimize potential risks, you should avoid excessive charring or overcooking. 4. Do not off exhaust hood immediately after cooking. Many people have a habit of immediately turning off the exhaust hood after cooking, just like casually turning off a light. However, this is not beneficial to our health. During the process of cooking and especially frying, a significant amount of harmful substances, especially high-temperature cooking fumes, are produced. The exhaust hood plays a crucial role in removing these fumes. In fact, it takes time for the exhaust hood to effectively eliminate the fumes, and there may still be residual fumes in the kitchen after cooking. After finishing cooking, it is advisable to let the exhaust hood continue running for at least 5 minutes to ensure that all harmful gases are completely expelled. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you like my video. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. Thank you.